Brothers and sisters in Islam and humanity, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. Welcome to our show, Ramadan, a date with Dr. Zakir. I'm your host, Yusuf Chambers, and today we will be discussing and, inshallah, answering the question, when is fasting obligatory and exempted? Dr. Zakir, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Dr. Zakir, like I said, we have a mountain to climb tonight with this topic. I'm sure there are many people who will benefit from your answers tonight, inshallah.
Inshallah.
The first of those, is fasting obligatory upon all Muslims? Or is there a distinct group that Allah refers to when it comes to fasting, in the month of Ramadan particularly?
Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. There are 5 conditions to be fulfilled to make fasting obligatory on any person. Number 1 is he or she should be a Muslim. Number 2, the person should be sane. Number 3, he or she should have reached the age of puberty. That means he or she should be an adult. Number 4, the person should be healthy. Number 5, the person should not be in a state of traveling. He or she should be settled. There are additional 4 conditions for a female to be fulfilled. If it's a woman, if it's a lady, if it's a female, there are additional 4 conditions to be fulfilled to make it obligatory on her. Number 1 is that she should not be menstruating. She should not be in a position where she has postnatal bleeding. She should not be breastfeeding and she should not be pregnant. So for a woman, if all these 9 conditions are fulfilled, then it becomes obligatory on her. And for the male, only the first 5 conditions have to be fulfilled to make it compulsory for them to fast in the month of Ramadan.